Welcome back to my channel. This is Amy Lin, and today I'm at another beautiful hotel on the Palms in Dubai called the Fairmont. I've got a question for you. Have you ever tried to manifest something, but in the back of your mind there's this inner chatter? You know what I mean? When you start to affirm, I'm wealthy, I'm a millionaire, but then the inner critic kicks in, start to saying things like, no, you're not. How are you going to do that? Who do you think you are? Can you relate? What if I told you that there's actually a technique that can bypass that inner chatter, a method to release resistance so you can speed up your manifestation process? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful technique that helps you to harmonize your conscious mind with your subconscious mind, which will allow you to manifest your desires effortlessly. If that sounds good to you, keep on watching. This powerful technique is called the knot technique, which is coined by Neville Goddard. I'll go over the knot technique of what it is. I'll share my own personal experience of what happened when I actually applied this, and I'll explain why it works. So this knot technique is also known as the ladder technique. And here's how it works. For 3 consecutive nights, just before you're about to fall asleep, when you're in the drowsy state we call theta, or as Neville calls it, sats, a state akin to sleep. Imagine yourself climbing a ladder. You want to feel the texture of the ladder. Is it metal ladder or is it wooden ladder? How is the temperature of the ladder? Is it a cooling sensation, or it might be room temperature, or it might be hot, like where I am now in Dubai? You want to sense the weight of your body as you climb up and down, as if it's happening right now from a first person's perspective. This means you're not watching yourself climbing the ladder. Instead, you're in your body, climbing the ladder up and down for about 20 minutes. You want to make sure you truly feel the motion as you're going up and down the ladder. Then, during the day, next day, for 3 consecutive days, you want to write out the statement, I will not climb a ladder, on a post-it note, and post them everywhere around your house, in your bathroom mirror, in your wallets. You want to see them consistently throughout the day. And every time when you see the post-it, you want to affirm the statement, I will not climb a ladder, either in your mind or you can speak it out loud. So that's the knot technique or the ladder technique. So when I first heard about it, I wanted to test for myself and see if it actually works. And here's what happened. I started this exercise on a Tuesday night. And while lying in bed, I imagined myself climbing a ladder, a metal ladder. And I could sense the coldness of the metal as I went through the motion of climbing up and down, up and down. And here's the interesting thing, because I'm afraid of heights, so when I was imagining it, I didn't visualize myself climbing to the top of the ladder. I only climbed halfway. So I was climbing the ladder up, down, halfway, but I never reached to the top. And then I would fall asleep. And the next day, what happened was I wrote it on a post-it note. Let me show you. This is what it says. I will not climb a ladder. And I placed this in 2 spots. I placed one on my computer and one on my phone where I could see it every day. And every time when I saw the note, I would say to myself, I will not climb a ladder. I will not climb a ladder. And I did this for 3 consecutive nights and days. So at night, I imagined myself climbing the ladder. During the day, I will affirm I will not climb a ladder. After the 4th day, I kind of forgot about it because I finished the exercise. And then on Sunday, I had plans to check out this famous beach resort called Nikki Beach here in Dubai to enjoy their pools on the beach as I am right now. And it turned out that all the pools there were adults only pools, which was nice because it's the summer and usually there are a lot of kids around. So they actually had 3 different pools. So I took a dip in one of the pools that was quite deep and the water was really cold. It was really nice because right now it's about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So I went inside the pool and then I got out. And after I got out, I sat on my lounger, just the one just like this, and I was just start to people watching. And then it suddenly dawned on me. I had climbed a ladder, the metal ladder in that adult pool. And in that moment, I had a flashback of the image that I had been visualizing for 3 consecutive nights, climbing up and down the ladder, feeling the coldness of my hands holding on the rings of the metal bars of the ladder. And that's exactly what had happened. And I didn't even realize it until I was sitting there and I was just looking around and I saw, and I'm like, wait, hold on. That's a ladder, because in my mind, when I visualized it, I was imagining climbing an actual ladder, right? Not the ladder to the pool. But as I was kind of reflecting back, and I'm like, it felt the same way, because when I was climbing up, down the ladder into the pool, because I went to the pool a couple times, like 2-3 times, up and down, and it never dawned on me. And this is the interesting part, because I have been going to different pools, right, around Dubai, but rarely do the pools have the ladders, like the actual ladders, because a lot of them is just, the sideways that are not actually a ladder you can climb. But because this was an adult pool, that's why the pool was a little bit deep. That's why they had the ladder. Oh my God, guys. So I climbed the ladder within 6 days. So that was Sunday and I started the exercise on Tuesday. So within 6 days, it came true.
We're back inside now. So that was my own personal experience with the ladder technique or the knot technique. And what happened actually 2 days later, after I had climbed the first ladder in that pool, I found myself climbing another ladder in another pool. And this time I took a picture of what it looked like to show you. Now let's talk about why this technique works so you can apply it into your life to manifest what you want. You see, what happened with me was that instead of affirming, I will climb a ladder, I focus on, I will not climb a ladder. It sounds contradictory, but hear me out. By doing this, I was able to bypass the resistance of my logical mind, my conscious mind, and planted the seed in my subconscious mind. And within 6 days, without even thinking about it, I found myself climbing a ladder. The manifestation came so fast because there was no resistance, you see, no attachment. It was just pure alignment. The universe doesn't hear the words you say, but rather it responds to the vibration frequency that you send out. So when you say, I do not have this, you're not resisting the idea. You're actually detaching from the need of having it. And therefore, you're in a state of allowing, which aligns your energy with the having of it instead of the lack of it. So it reduces the resistance in your conscious mind. And since the language of the subconscious mind is the emotional mind, and 95% of your results in your life come from your subconscious mind, it doesn't hear what you say, but it responds to the emotions that you feel. Neville actually has a quote, and it says, whenever your feeling is in conflict with your wish, feeling will always be the victor. And that's the reason why during the ladder exercise, the instruction was to imagine and feel as though you're climbing the ladder. And since your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's imagined, it will attract to you the exact image or the replica of what you have been visualizing. Your subconscious mind is so powerful. And when you give the clear instructions, which means images with emotions to your subconscious mind with repetition, it works behind the scenes and will bring you your desires without you needing to consciously figure out how it's going to happen. And that's actually the problem with most people, because what they do is they get caught up on worrying about how their manifestations will come with their conscious mind, and therefore creating resistance and delaying their manifestations for coming into fruition. I would like to challenge you to give this exercise a try. You can start off with the ladder technique, or you can use the knot technique on things or experiences that you would like to manifest. Remember, you don't need to know the how. Your job is to plant the seeds, nurture them with intentions and strong emotions. Trust in the process, and your subconscious mind will take care of the rest for you. If you enjoy this video or you got anything out of it, let me know in the comment sections if you have heard about this ladder technique or the knot technique, or if you have tried it yourself and what were your results. If you're a Neville's fan, like I am, I would recommend next watching the video I did on law of assumption. This is where I shared how I used the law to manifest my dream in Dubai.